have you ever wondered how just 10 minutes every morning can gently transform the way you feel, the way you think, and the way you live your life? What if I told you that in this quiet, peaceful space, you hold the incredible power to release pain, fear, and confusion, not only from this lifetime, but from lifetimes beyond what you can imagine? You don't need to believe in magic or miracles, because this is real. This is a sacred practice, a profound science of breath and consciousness, one that has been passed down by enlightened masters, like Paramahansa Yogananda, who taught that true healing begins within. That breath is the doorway to inner wisdom, resilience, and peace. Take a moment, right now. Close your eyes and feel how your body breathes on its own. Every inhale, every exhale is a connection to something greater than yourself. This is Kriya Yoga, the art of fully conscious breathing. It's not just a technique or exercise. It's a way of living in harmony with your higher self, your body, and the universe. It's a method that gently leads you back to your true essence. So, I invite you to let go of distractions, to give this time to yourself, and to breathe with awareness. Stay with me for the next hour and experience how this practice can open doors to health, happiness, and spiritual awakening. If this resonates with you, please subscribe to Divya Antar and click the bell icon to receive daily or weekly meditations, healing guidance, and uplifting practices that will help you on your journey. Also, feel free to share how you feel after this meditation in the comments below, or simply write, "I am ready." Let's grow together in awareness, love, and peace. Take a deep breath and let's begin setting the space. Now, gently prepare your meditation space. Find a quiet, comfortable corner where you feel safe, relaxed, and free from interruption. If you like, place a candle, a flower, or any object that reminds you of purity, love, or light. This will help create a sacred space for your practice. Sit comfortably. Keep your spine straight but soft, like a tall tree swaying gently in the breeze. Place your hands softly on your knees, palms open to receive energy. Close your eyes gently. Soften your face. Let your jaw relax, your shoulders drop, and your breath flow naturally. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly, letting go of any tension you're holding. Take 2 more deep breaths. With each inhale, invite calmness. With each exhale, release worry, stress, or fatigue from yesterday. Feel the space around you becoming still and safe. This is your space, your sacred ground, your personal sanctuary. You are ready to begin. Kriya Pranayama, breath of light. Let's now begin our breath practice. A slow, natural flow of energy that soothes your body and mind. Inhale gently through your nose. Imagine warm, golden light entering from the base of your spine, traveling up your back, filling your chest, flowing all the way to your forehead. Hold this breath for a few seconds, letting the energy gather at the center of your mind. Feeling calm, focused, and refreshed. Exhale slowly through your nose. Visualize the light traveling down your body, washing away tension, stress, and fatigue. Let go, release everything that no longer serves you. With each breath, silently affirm. Inhale, I draw light, strength, and love into my being. Exhale, I let go of fear, worry, and heaviness. Continue breathing, slowly, easily, comfortably. Allow the breath to guide you, not force you. Feel the energy flowing through your spine, like waves of peace and warmth. Let this breath relax your nervous system. Open your heart and invite healing into every cell. Kray Mini Kumbhaka, holding breath for awareness. Now, let's gently explore holding the breath, called Kumbhaka, where awareness deepens and your mind becomes still. Inhale fully. Hold the breath for 3 to 5 seconds. And focus on the space between your eyebrows, also known as the third eye or Agna chakra. See a small spark of white or golden light shining at the center of your forehead. With each breath hold, let this light intensify and radiate outward. Allow old patterns, fear, and emotional residue to melt away like mist in the morning sun. Exhale slowly, spreading the light throughout your body, softening muscles, and clearing mental blocks. Affirm silently with each breath. Inhale, I welcome divine energy into my mind and heart. Hold, the light awakens every part of me. Exhale, all negativity dissolves, peace surrounds me. Feel how breath, energy, and consciousness become one seamless flow. There is no rush. There is only presence, love, and connection. Silent meditation, resting in awareness. Now, let go of all techniques. Simply sit and allow your breath to flow on its own. Feel the warmth of light surrounding you. Imagine it bathing your whole being in peace. If thoughts arise, smile gently and return your attention to the breath. Silently repeat in your heart, you and the light are one. There is no need to chase thoughts or analyze feelings. Let everything pass by, like clouds in the sky. Trust that you are safe, supported, and loved. Feel how stillness deepens, how the light within you becomes brighter, how your heart opens without effort. You are exactly where you need to be. Healing through breath, clearing old karma. Now, let's turn our focus toward healing. Imagine the breath flowing through every part of your body, nourishing each cell, relaxing your nervous system, and filling your heart with love. See areas of tension melting, old memories dissolving, emotional wounds releasing, like mist disappearing in sunlight. There is no need to force healing. It flows naturally when you trust your breath and the energy it carries. Silently affirm. Inhale, light flows through me, healing every cell. Exhale, I release fear, pain, and past suffering. Feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, and more radiant with each breath. You are supported, held, and connected to a universal energy that knows how to guide you. Now, gently bring your hands together at the center of your chest. Close your eyes softly. Offer gratitude for this moment, for your breath, for your body, and for the love that surrounds you. Repeat silently after me. I am grateful to awaken today. I choose to live this day with love, purpose, and light. I open my heart to healing energy. I choose peace, joy, and wisdom. Take one final, deep breath in. Hold it softly. And exhale completely, letting go of all that no longer serves you. Open your eyes, slowly. Smile gently. And welcome the new day, as if you were born again. Transformative power of daily practice. As you gently return to awareness. Remember, every morning, you practice with presence. You plant seeds of healing. You are not trying to change your entire life overnight. You are building a new pattern. Gently, steadily, with love. Each conscious breath is a step toward rewriting your story of health, joy, and spiritual awakening. You are not alone. The wisdom of the universe flows through you. The energy that healed saints and awakened ancient masters lives within your breath right now. As Paramahansa Yogananda beautifully said, spiritual practice is not for the future. It is for this moment. Right here, right now. Let's close with affirmations you can carry into the rest of your day. Repeat after me, silently or softly, in your heart. Every breath I take is filled with healing light. I release fear and stress with every exhale. I am connected to the universal presence in all things. I live with courage, love, and wisdom. I trust the flow of life and feel supported, always. Take one final, deep breath in. And slowly, exhale. Now, when you're ready, open your eyes, softly. Look around, with awareness. And step into your day, renewed, refreshed, reborn.